Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take the long screenshot on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. In order to take the scrolling screenshot, the first thing that you need to do is simply take the screenshot in the normal way. So either by using the power button and the volume down button together, or by using the quick access and then finding the screenshot button in the quick access, or you can use the three-finger gesture in order to take the screenshot. So let me first open Google in order to take screenshot of, let's say, this page. And if I want to take the long screenshot, I need to, like I said, make this screenshot in the normal way. So let's do that. And now once you have this, at the bottom side, you have this icon. You can press on it, and then you'll see the animation that it starts scrolling down. But you can also manually scroll down, and then eventually, if you decide that this is the end of the screenshot, then you can press this red circle over here, and then you will take the screenshot. So let's confirm. And then let's wait a couple of seconds, and there we go. Now we can tap on this screen, and then we can see the preview. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.